What if I told you? You suck at resting. And not just you, almost everyone does. You think lying on the couch, scrolling TikTok for hours is rest. Nah, that's killing your energy, not rebuilding it. You've been working hard, hustling, burning yourself out like it's a badge of honor. But you're losing the game because you never learned the art of real rest. And today, you will. Picture this. A man who never stopped. He crushed goals. He grinded through sleepless nights. People admired him. But inside, he was falling apart. His body hurt. His mind was foggy. His heart felt heavy. He had no idea that the hardest thing he needed to master wasn't working harder. It was resting smarter. And here's the kicker. Rest isn't weakness. It's the ultimate power move when done right. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll walk away knowing how to rest in a way that charges you like a damn nuclear reactor. No guilt, no wasted time, just pure weaponized recovery. First, rest isn't just doing nothing, it's intentional recharging. 3 quick rules you must know. 1. Active recovery beats passive recovery. Walking outside, stretching, deep breathing, not mindless phone scrolling that fries your brain. 2. Mental rest is critical. You're not resting if your brain is racing. Disconnect. Read something light. Meditate for 5 minutes. Go off-grid for an hour. 3. Sleep is not optional. 7 to 9 hours. Not 4-hour warrior sleeps, followed by energy drinks. You're not lazy when you rest. You're investing. Think of yourself like a high-performance machine. Ferrari engines don't run on cheap oil. Neither should you. Imagine tomorrow. You wake up, no alarm. Your mind's sharp. Your body's light. You walk into your work, your gym, your life, and you're the calmest, strongest man in the room. Why? Because you rested like a savage. You didn't waste your nights numbing out. You refueled. This isn't fantasy. It's one change away. Listen, they lied to you. Sleep when you're dead? You'll just live half dead if you do that. Real men don't neglect rest. Real men master it. Rest isn't for the weak. Rest is for warriors planning their next attack. You're not broken if you're tired. You're not weak because you need to slow down. You're human, brother. And now, you know better. So if this hit you hard, smash that like button right now. Subscribe so you don't miss the next move that levels you up. And share this with one person you know is grinding themselves into dust. You owe it to yourself to rest like a king, not crash like a slave. See you in the next one.